Just out here testing. It's fun out in Barstow. Got Jake Bull, Weston. Just testing the truck, trying to get ready for Parker. All going pretty good. Got a new power steering pump, that's pretty rad. Fixed the servo, it broke last time we were out here. Yeah. Just kind of going through things, making sure it's going to do miles and ready to do 425 miles of nasty, rough terrain.
See the people when they like dance around the lasers in like the spy movies? It's like me with this exhaust right now.
Dicka dance. It's only hot exhaust, dude. Just touch it. Touch it, dude. Touch
they,
it.
like, touch the lasers and like their finger gets cut off.
You should see the sidewall wear on him. I'm like down. I'm getting all this like sidewalls getting hit. It's getting wheel spin. I mean, but I don't know. It's a pretty tough hit. That 20 extra pounds per tire.
Yeah.
But I dig that acceleration grip. But I think I'll take the BFG strength. What's worse, changing a flat or? And honestly, I'd rather give up grip than. Well, I took a big slice out of this right front on a rock.
I think that was like that when we got here.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, there's a little.
Which one? I saw it before.
That one there.
Yeah, that was there before.
All right.
There's a little one on this side.
Yeah. I mean, dude, these tires are so strong.
Right here.
Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah, all the fittings look dry. I think those are okay.
Look at that thing. That's fucking crazy. That's a nice cut. Are they?
All the fittings look dry, so
Yeah.
I think those are all good, but it's just moving out of the breather.
Still holding there. Actually surprised how much like brake dust there is building up.
I think those pads are really soft.
They must be.
I think the pads and rotors are tend to kind of be like Very
super
aggressive.
super absorption.
Yeah, really abrasive and just.
I don't know how you do this, like talking at it and like getting everyone else. Like, how the hell do you do that? What the heck? I think the audio is going to be junk anyway.